Looking for a high-protein omelet most people have never tried before? Let me show you this simple and delicious sardine omelette. Start with 125 grams of sardines. Using a fork, gently crush them until flaky and smooth. Next, crack in 2 eggs. Season with 1/3 teaspoon of salt and 1/3 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix everything together really well until fully combined. Now preheat your pan over low heat and melt in some butter. Once the butter is sizzling, pour in the sardine and egg mixture. Let it cook undisturbed for about 4 minutes until the bottom is set and golden. Carefully flip the omelet. Add a generous handful of shredded cheese to 1/2. Then fold the other half over the cheese and let it cook for another minute or 2, just until the cheese melts perfectly. And that's it, a rich, savory, protein-packed sardine omelette. Simple, unexpected, and absolutely delicious.